channel, please like this video, comment, and subscribe, and cut the notification bell on so when I start posting, it comes straight to your phone. You know when I'm posting. But anyway, today I have a video on how to make my, it's so good. It's just savory and succulent chicken bacon ranch casserole. And yes, guys, it is keto. And I also threw in how I make my grilled catfish, and I threw in some shell-on shrimp that I just cooked in garlic butter sauce with Old Bay, and oh my gosh, the house just smells so good right now. I hope you guys stay tuned for this video. It is the bomb. Everything that I will use will be down in the description box, so you don't have to worry about what to get, how much to use. So you just watch the video, and I'll be back. So here are all of my ingredients, and if you want to cook this, this is exactly what you'll need. First, we're gonna start with our organic broccoli. You're gonna start with a ½ pound of chicken, and these are just chicken breast tenderloins. You're gonna start with your thick cut bacon. You're gonna use garlic, lots of garlic. You guys know I love garlic. Onions chopped up. Oh, let me get that part out of there. You're gonna need mayo, light mayo, whatever you may like. You're gonna need sour cream, and you can also choose the lighter version of the sour cream. You'll also need the cream cheese, and it will need to be softened. You'll need the dill weed seasoning, garlic pepper, garlic powder, and I have some seasoning from the Flavor God. It's a ranch seasoning, which I've never used, but I'm gonna use it today in this chicken bacon ranch casserole. And you'll also need some mild cheddar, shredded cheddar. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to preheat your oven to 350. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bacon in first. Alright, I got my oven preheating to 350. I'm gonna take this HEB bacon. I'm just gonna do maybe 4 slices. It's the thick cut bacon, and I actually like to let my bacon get room temperature. And I use parchment paper on my bacon, and I flip it about halfway through. And I'm gonna put her right in the oven. She's already on 350. Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
Alright guys, so I had to add my parsley, my kosher salt, my black pepper, and my onion powder. I forgot to bring that down. So these are all the seasonings that you will be using for this chicken bacon ranch recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this large bowl. I had garlic in it previously. I'm going to put my sour cream, my mayo, and my cream cheese all in this bowl. Alright, so I have my bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and open up this cream cheese. You better figure it out because I don't have time to be telling y'all exactly how much of everything to put. So then I have my mayo, 4 ounces. I don't know how much this is, but we'll just say that's 4. And then sour cream in there. I'm gonna start with the garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, parsley, garlic pepper, and I actually have a pack of ranch. I think I'm gonna try putting some of it in here. Alright, I put about half of the pack of ranch in there. The dill. All right, so I'm gonna let that cream cheese die down a little bit. Okay, and I'm just gonna slice it up. Chicken right here. I'm gonna add some EVOO to this pan. Garlic. There's the garlic. And for the onions, I'm actually gonna make these a little bit smaller, so I'll be right back. Who else owns a Ninja? I think these things are just a godsend. Once it heats up, I'm gonna start salt and peppering it. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and steam the broccoli. The broccoli is right here. I'm gonna steam it for 2 minutes. Broccoli is going. And I hear my stuff sizzling over here just a little bit. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna start with some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, garlic pepper, and I'm just gonna mix this up, and after this I'm gonna go wash my hands. Added the chicken to the onion and the garlic mix. I'm gonna turn the heat up just a little bit, and I'm gonna cover it. You definitely want to cover stuff like that. All right, now I'm gonna check on my bacon. It's looking really good. Husband's on the way home. He's like, on my way, you still cooking? I'm going to see my baby sing. Not sure how you're gonna cook if you have praise and worship. Honey, I am doing it right now. This is the size pan that I'll be using. It's just a clear pan, casserole pan. I'm going to spray it. Especially the edges. Okay. Alright, so here's all of my broccoli. I'm gonna add all of this to the broccoli. Alexa, stop. Alright, she's ringing because the bacon should be ready. Let me give it a looky-loo. Not quite yet. I'll give it a couple more minutes and I'll continue mixing up this broccoli. It's looking really good. It tastes perfect. I'm gonna drain it and add it to this mix. Because I want these juices to get like all up in the broccoli and stuff. So I'm tossing it in. Add the cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want. Nice and hot. Alright, so it's cooled down a little bit and it's hardened up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking up this bacon. And I'm gonna coat the top with cheese. Now I'm coating the top with cheese all over. And she will go in the oven for 35 minutes. Use a little bit of seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, garlic pepper. I really like garlic pepper on my fish. And I'm gonna use Creole seasoning. Alright. I'm gonna add the fish. 2 at a time, and I'm gonna make sure I cover it. Alright, here's the finished product, guys. Enjoy your chicken bacon ranch and have it however you like it. This just came out of the oven and I just topped it off with some parsley. So I'm going to sit it on a plate so you can see how it looks.